SuperGrads CAT. As you know, CMAT 2024 is round the corner. The exam is on 15th May 2024 और काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत कंफ्यूजन है अभी कि किस तरीके से प्रिपरेशन करना चाहिए. What are the questions that I should be practicing? Level of difficulty कैसा हो सकता है एग्जाम का? And a lot of questions might be coming up in the mind. As you know, we have started with CMAT 2024 Rapid Revision Series. We already have on our channel CMAT 2024 Crash Course Series as well, which was launched in the month of February and March. Now we have launched CMAT 2024 Test Series for you guys, where you will get 6 specially curated CMAT mocks. Now let us understand कि CMAT 2024 Crash Course में और CMAT 2024 Rapid Revision Series में what all things you will get. दोनों के playlist का link I've put in the description box, so you can check that out. Here you will have focused revision. We'll be covering all the important strategies and the important concepts. You will be able to assess the level of difficulty of the exam as well, since it is easy to moderate. So now when we'll be practicing questions also in these series, so it will be easier for you to assess the level of difficulty. Next, important questions will be covered. Previous year questions will also be covered. And as I told you, we have launched 6 CMAT mocks as well for you guys, जिसका link आपको description box में मिल जाएगा. So this is how the playlist for CMAT 2024 Crash Course looks like, which was launched in February and March. You will find all the important questions, all the important concepts over here. We have discussed some important strategies also over here from scratch. So you will find it in this particular playlist. After this, I'll also guide you कि playlist आपको channel पे कहाँ मिलेगी. Next, we have also covered CMAT previous year questions as well, जिसका playlist is separate. Again, the link you will find in the description box. Next, as I told you, we have started CMAT Rapid Revision Series recently for you guys on 29th of April, which will go on till 14th of May, since on 15th of May you have CMAT exam. And this will be every day at 3 p.m. live on the same channel, that is SuperGrads CAT. This is how the CMAT 2024 Rapid Revision Series ka playlist looks like. So till now in the Rapid Revision Series, we have covered 4 sessions, that is arithmetic, phrasal verbs and idioms, geometry, mensuration, and general awareness. The upcoming sessions you can note down. We'll be having around miscellaneous quant questions again. There would be miscellaneous questions around innovation and entrepreneurship, which is a crucial section of CMAT again. Data interpretation, blood relations, and direction sense. You will have miscellaneous English questions, which is a part of language comprehension section. You'll have general awareness again, miscellaneous logical reasoning, general awareness again, and then he'll be starting with the one-shot revision series as well from 11th to 14th of May, in which we will cover all these sections, that is quantitative techniques and data interpretation, logical reasoning, language comprehension, and innovation and entrepreneurship. Now let us understand. And as I told you that we also have super CMAT mocks for you guys, where you will get 6 mocks. Now I'll quickly brief you through how you can get onto our channel and where you will find these playlists. Okay, so this is how the channel looks like. And here, when you click on the playlist, you will find the rapid revision series. You will find the previous year questions as well. And here you will find the crash course series as well. And as I was telling about the mocks, so this is where the CMAT mocks have been launched on our website. I'm putting the link in the description box, so you don't need to find it anywhere. This is where when you click on the test, so you will find the CMAT mocks over here. So we have 6 CMAT mocks, as I mentioned previously. Okay, students, so that was all from my side. I hope you're aware that CMAT is round the corner and now we need to gear up for the preparation. So कहीं भी जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You need to stay on the same channel, that is SuperGrads CAT, because we've got you covered with the best CMAT revision series, rapid revision series, and crash course series, and the mock test. So stay tuned, and for more updates, stay tuned to SuperGrads CAT.